guys, welcome to my channel. We're about to do a quick face. First, we are going to be using Absolute and Smoke. We are going to outline our eyebrows like so with light strokes. Follow the natural shape of your eyebrow. And make sure, please take your spoolie in the front and just take that out. Make it natural. Don't make it boxy. We don't want it to look boxy at all, okay? All right, you can leave it like that if you want to do a natural face, but we're going to do a little bit more. Just do the other side. Same way. All right, go get our concealer and take it under eyebrow and above eyebrow. And once you do that, you want to smooth it out. See? Nice. Make sure your concealer is a little bit lighter than your normal shade. Sometimes for the top one, you can use a concealer that's the same exact shade, but we're going to use the same one today. It'll be all right. I thought I was cute. All right. Outline it. Smooth it out. Always make sure you blend good and smooth out your makeup when doing a full face or any makeup at that. Let's do the other side. Remember, they're cousins, not sisters, but I would like for them to be twins. I try. It never happens. All right, smooth that out. Fix it to your liking. Sometimes I take the concealer and I move it into the front of my eyebrows so that it doesn't look boxy as well. And I go ahead and use my same concealer on my eyelids to set them, to get ready for the eyeshadow. You don't have to do that step, but I do. For me, my eyebrows take the longest most of the time because I try to perfect them if I can. Work it out. Smooth it out. All right, cool. So I'm going to use this brush to smooth it out. Buff it out, even better, is a better word. And I love this brush. I got this from Nay, makeup artist. I'll leave her post here. We're going to use Juvia's palette, the Warrior palette. And this, we're going to use the dark brown first. This is an easy look. Use a dark brown. And I like to pat my eyeshadow in first versus just swirling it around. Then I take a lighter transition color to make it flow, so I won't have any harsh lines. And blend, 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 blend. Like every person will tell you, just keep blending. Just keep blending. And that's the longest part for me. I'm going to put the concealer back on my eyelids to buff it out again so that my eyelids can be ready for the pigment that we're about to use. We are doing a neon orange look today. And that pigment needs to be able to grab a hold to something. It can't grab a hold to eyeshadow. So use concealer. And then this is the color. Bam. It's vibrant. And it's going to take me a little while to get all that on there so that it sticks. My eyelids are hooded, so I have to be really careful with that so that my eyeshadows and pigments don't crack. So I'm taking that dark brown again and blending it into the neon so that it flows good as well. And I like to bring my eyeshadow a little bit past the outside of my eyelid so that when I look up, since my eyes are hooded, you can still see the shadows. For you guys to have perfect eyelids, this part is not for you. God bless you a little bit better in the eyelid department. This is a pigment from J. La Rue. It is White Diamonds. And I'm just going to put this in the corner to give my eyeshadow a little bit more pop. You can skip this step if you want, but I like a little glitter in my life. I'm using some mink eyelashes that I carry. Pop those on. And you cute. You cute, girl. Once you blend everything in, everything will look good. We are going to use 2 foundation sticks from Juvia's Place. Today, I normally typically use two different colors because I have a few different undertones depending if I have a tan or not. I don't want to miss any spots. So I'm just going to slide this on in random spots. Making sure to even out both different colors. There's a lighter and a darker color. Bam. All right, after I do all that, I am going to blend all of that in. And notice how I press my foundation in. I'm not going to swirl it around. We're not swirling. Press that in so that it goes into your skin. We want our foundation to look like skin. We don't want to have a cake face. So we're blending. Getting that 4-head, 5-head, whatever you got. Until it's all even. And if you want to stop right here, that's fine. If you don't want to go any further than this and you just want to set your foundation after this is fine. This is a look. But since we're here, we are going to do a contour and highlight today. I am new to makeup, so please don't judge me too harshly. I'm going to take the same concealer we use on our eyebrows, and we are going to put it under our eyes, on our nose, forehead, chin. And I really do like this concealer from Juvia's Place. It's really creamy. It's full coverage for me. It moves pretty good. It's not too runny. It's not too thick. Highly recommended. Spray your sponge, and we are going to blend that out. This is my favorite part. It's so fun. Blend, blend, blend. You want to blend that out. You don't want to be caught on camera looking like you don't know what you're doing after somebody done took your photo. This is just a darker contour stick in Juvia's palette as well. Keep blending the nose contour. We are going to snatch our nose today. We are going to get rid of our nose. We're going to look like we had some work done if you can get it. This is our setting powder. What I like to do is press a little bit of the powder under my eyes in first. I like to blend that out instead of letting it sit. I got that from Kiki Adams, if you follow her. We're going to press that in. And then we're going to put a little bit under there and let it sit. Baking is what we call it. All right, we're going to do the sides of our face so we can have some definition to our jawline. Both sides. I really don't like to do this too much, but I'm working on it. And in our True Complexion palette, we're going to set that cream contour that we first started. You don't have to do this step, but it will make your makeup last all day versus half the day. So go back over those same spots with the powder instead of the cream. Sometimes I will just do only powder, only. I won't do both. And that's going to keep it in place all day. And do your forehead. This is my favorite part, is my forehead. Blend that out. Notice the powder is still setting under our eyes. Let's hit that nose. So I like to work my way from my eyebrows on both sides. And then it sets that bridge. It makes it look like your nose is a little bit skinnier than what it is. So as you can see, I have a wider nose. But makeup is magic. See, we already cute. We're pretty cute already. We really can just wipe it off and stop. But we go get cuter for the people. Now, when you do the middle of your nose, this is very important. Do the thinnest line possible. The thinner the line, the smaller the nose looks. And you're going to brush that contour in a little bit more on the sides. This is hard to do sometimes because you'll find yourself brushing it away, but you want to leave some of it there, and you have to find your right shade. I am still perfecting this. Please don't judge too harshly, but you feel free to leave advice in the comments if you want. We're going to take our blush while that's setting and give us some color in our cheeks. They said don't just put the contour on there. Make sure you put a little color back in those cheeks, baby. All right, I'm wiping the powder off. It's done setting enough for me. And now I'm just blending it some more so I don't have any harsh lines. All right, I'm going to put some setting spray on my face first. We're not done. It's cold. And then I'm going to press everything in. This just makes it look like skin again. You don't have a cake face. You have a snatched face. Snatch that. Yes, baby. And then after this, I'm going back in and make sure my contour is still there. After this, we will then do our highlight where our face is still kind of moist. I know some of y'all don't like that word. Using our Trophy Wife by Fenty, of course. The bomb. If you ever get a highlighter in your life, you need Trophy Wife. I'm not going to do too much because my eyes are already giving enough attention, but we just go give it a little razzle dazzle. Just a little bit. So that when you hit that sunlight, it catch it. And you'll get compliments all the time. Just use Trophy Wife, girls. Use that. I usually press it in, but for some reason it was fighting me, so I'm just trying to get it on there at this point. I put a little bit on my bridge and a little bit at the tip of my nose. Don't overdo it. All right, I'm using my paint brushes to do my lips. I just learned how to do this. I think it's so cool. Found one. And what I'm going to do is take my contour stick and outline my lips. Sometimes I use just a darker foundation. And then I put a pink lip in the middle. And that's it. We are cute, honey. The slow-mo for you. Cute. Yes. I hope you guys like it. Please like and subscribe for me. Thank you.